Hey, welcome to the Math Review. This lesson is on multiples. And for this lesson, we're going to do the following. First, we're going to make sure we're able to define exactly what multiples are, and then we're going to go over 4 different examples. But what I would like to do is I would like to go over the first 2 and then have you practice the last 2 on your own. I'm confident that by the end of this lesson, you're going to be a multiples pro, but you should help others be multiples pros too. And you can do that by hitting that like button and by sharing this video anywhere you can. Now, on with the lesson. So what exactly are multiples? Well, it sounds like a really tricky math word, but multiples are just the times tables of a number. And they can go on forever and ever. But normally we'll only have to go up to the first 10, maybe a little bit more, but it's not very likely that we'll need to. So let's go over our first example, the multiples of 2. When we say the multiples of 2, we're just saying the times tables of that number. So we're saying the 2's times tables. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. And like we said before, they can go on forever and ever and ever. How about this one? The multiples of 4. Remember that multiples are just the times tables of a number. So if we're talking about the 4's times tables, it would start off as 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48, and you may need to go on a little bit more, but that totally depends on the question that you're being asked. One thing I like about writing everything down like this is you can determine the other factor if you have a multiplication problem just by counting to that number. Let's say, for example, we've got 2 times 7. Well, if I wanted to know what that was, I could just look at my multiples of 2 and then just count to the 7th one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that would be 14. And we could say 2 times 7 equals 14. Here's another example. Let's say I wanted to know what 4 times 11 was. Well, we could go to our multiples of 4 and then just count to the 11th one. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This is the 11th one. So therefore, 4 times 11 equals 44. So how did you do with the first 2 examples? Easy? Hard? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're really comfortable, when you get to the next examples on the next slide, pause the video before the answers come up and then try for yourself. And how about the multiples of 7? Remember, they're just the times tables of a number. So our 7's times tables are 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70, 77, and 84. And how about the multiples of 3? Well, we've got 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, and 36. Now, if this video was helpful, make sure you subscribe to see more of our videos. Thanks for watching.